Hey guys, Brian with Limelight Detailing in Boise, Idaho. Hey, today I want to show you how we get gum out of carpet. It's not very often that we run into it, but of course it is a car, and sometimes people get gum left on their shoes or whatever, and it ends up on their carpet. So we're actually working on an older vehicle today. This is a 1999 Dodge Durango. Pretty old car, and we're talking 22 years old, but it's actually in pretty good shape, but we're dealing with a little bit of gum on the carpet. So if you take a look right here, it's been in here for a little while, you can tell. If you've watched some of our other videos, you've seen some other applications with steam and how we clean the inside of a vehicle. And we're gonna do another demonstration of how awesome steam cleaning is on the inside of your car. There's a lot of different ways that you can go about it, a lot of other different popular methods. One of the most popular is using like chemicals and trying to rub on the gum and kind of trying to dissolve it that way. I personally use heat and think it actually gets it out of the carpet rather than just kind of dissolving it. One thing that you can run into when you're trying to use a chemical such as like goof off, or some people have even tried like nail polish remover, that can be really dangerous on like staining your carpet. And so what I love about steam is that you're applying heat and pressure, but you're doing it naturally and you're not leaving behind any nasty odors. You're not going to have to, you're not running the chance of bleaching or changing the color of your carpet. So one thing you want to do so you don't like burn a hole in your carpet when you're using steam, and I'm using a Dupre steam cleaner with 2000 PSI, or excuse me, not 2000, 120 PSI. 345 degrees of heat. It's a lot of heat. It's a lot of pressure to be dealing with. So you want to be careful not to burn yourself and not to ruin your carpet. So I always try to create a little bit of a barrier in between the carpet, the actual surface I'm working on, and the steam cleaner bristles themselves. So if you look at the gum right here, you can kind of tell that it's kind of been rough. It's been worked into the carpet a little bit. So I'm going to just show you how I like to remove gum out of carpet. I'm going to just put the microfiber towel. You can either do like fold your towel in fourths, or I usually do like a half fold, and I just apply heat. Kind of midway through, we'll check and see our progress. You can tell it's already gotten quite a bit. What I love about this particular steam cleaner I use is it also has a soap detergent injector. So I'm going to spray it with a little bit of detergent. So that's just going to break it up a little bit more. And then just kind of wipe it away. And there you go. So that's how I like to clean gum out of carpets. If you've got any nasty stuff spilled on your carpet, we'd love to clean it out for you. This process could be included in all of our interior detailing packages, as well as our classic detail, our mini detail, and our Limelight detail. If you haven't booked an appointment with us today, we would love the opportunity to clean your car. Give us a call at 208-391-3455 or check us out at limelightdetail.com.